Virgin Hyperloop One is creating a new mode of transportation, a vehicle that operates in a low-pressure environment using magnetic levitation and electromagnetic propulsion. We have this opportunity to push the limits of technology, especially in the transportation sector. And a lot of the tools to test and develop and model that brand new technology kind of doesn't exist. So partnering with Autodesk helps address the challenges we're facing. Autodesk has been beneficial to us because we're able to collaborate seamlessly using the architecture, engineering, and construction package on our BIM platform. That includes Revit, Civil 3D, InfraWorks, 3ds Max. We're not only creating 3D models, we're creating big data models. We're able to collaborate in the design side, but we're also able to collaborate in the delivery side and the development of the project. We're developing linear infrastructure routes that are tens of kilometers to hundreds of kilometers long, and we're developing them in hours rather than 3 to 6 months or 9 months to a level of detail that's equivalent to what is done in 9 months. We're also able to bring all the test data and the operational and the maintenance data back into that same platform. This is a big challenge, but the industry is getting there. BIM 360 is one platform that allows you to do that. So far, we've been able to achieve in about a 500-meter long tube, 0 to 240 miles per hour and back to 0. We were able to design it and build it within 6 months and not have one column settle. Virgin Hyperloop One wants to know exactly what is the trend of the industry and what is the future, and then we take that and try to push the limits of that future. So we try to get there sooner and set the standard for the industry.